DVD logo try to hit the corner. Basically, it still has not hit the corner yet. But today I'm going to be doing what happens if you put a foreign disc into a VCR and DVD player combo, volume 3, I believe. Oh, I think it just hit. Yeah, I didn't hit the corner though. Oh well. I've been watching it like doing that. Anyway, just to show you that it works, I have the Matrix Reloaded for DVD. Yep, here we go. I don't have the remote for this, just to let you know. Probably gonna sell it, maybe get another one. Or maybe just get another game system, I don't know. And as you can see, it works. And yeah, there you go. The DVD works. So yeah, let's just eject the disc. Yep. Come on. How hard is it to get one disc while holding a camera?